What's up, everybody? Today we're going to be messing with the EF again. I want to go ahead and get it out of its little parking spot here and get it moved over onto the lift. But as you can see, there's a lot of stuff in the way. It's probably going to take a pretty long time to get it moved over, but I move both these cars and then it's got to come out of this door and around and into here. So I guess I'm going to go ahead and move these out of the way, and then there's some random boxes and stuff. I just gotta move all that, and then the car's still on the dollies, so I kind of just roll it up and swing it out, and hopefully it'll all go pretty smoothly and we can get it knocked out. Alright, got this thing in here thanks to the neighbors. Actually went pretty smoothly. But right here's the main damage to the car. I don't know if I really showed this much, but a tree limb had fallen on it. So if y'all happen to have a burgundy 9091 EF sedan trunk lid that you want to sell and you can ship it, hit me up, because I would definitely be interested in that. Somehow the taillights didn't break, which is crazy. But I never did get around to cleaning out the trunk. So I want to go ahead and get that knocked out. See if we can find anything in there. It's probably mostly just dirt and junk from it sitting, but who knows, there might be something cool in there. Alright, well, that's a little bit better. Up here's kind of clean. Here's the fender trim. That's cool. Some old Crystal's bonus bucks. If you remember what this is, throw it down in the comments. That's awesome. The buy low bonus card. Suzuki oil filter of some type. That's all the junk we found in there so far. Do another round of vacuuming and then we'll peel this back and see what's under there. Oh, that's kind of a bummer. I guess with the trunk being dented, some water got in here. Oh yeah, this piece is ruined. Hate to see that. But obviously not everything's gonna survive sitting outside like it did for the last 10-11 years. Well, here it is. Not really sure what to use to clean this, but there's like paper stuck to it right here. Here on the sides. Not really sure how to get that off of there. But I guess we should probably pull the spare tire and make sure there's no rust or anything under there. But everything's nice and solid. Nice. We're good. I was really nervous that this whole trunk was going to be rusted out, but it is looking a-okay. Just needs a real good cleaning. So I guess I'll call that done for now. So I guess last thing we're gonna do, if y'all saw the last video on this car, I had no spark and I had no fuel. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull the main relay out of here, and I'm pretty sure I have some laying around. Yeah, right here. I got a couple of them. We can swap them out and see if we get our fuel pump back. Alright, got this main relay out of here. So I'm gonna grab another one, throw it in there, put the jump box on, and see if we get some fuel pump. Hopefully we will. Okay, well that's a fail. I didn't realize that the EF versus the EG were a little different. The EG is like a little offset on the connector, and the EF is right in the middle. So I guess I'm gonna have to run to the parts store and grab a new relay. Alright, got the relay. Just throw this in and see if we can hear the fuel pump turn on. Alright, guess we need to hook the battery up and
do it again.
You hear anything back there?
No.
Nothing?
No.
No. Well, that's a bummer. So that's strike two for cheap, easy fixes on this car. Oh well. Well, I guess that's going to be all for this one. You know, I want to get this running in the next couple videos, hopefully. But I just randomly noticed that the taillights are on. Well, I guess the brake lights. And the key's not even in it. That's kind of weird. Starting to look like we might have some electrical issues going on. But alright, we'll see y'all next week for another one. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe.